Consumer packaged goods manufacturers continually face challenges to maximize productivity and minimize costs, while still serving consumers with the core products that have been each brand's cornerstone. Emerson solutions help these producers operate more efficiently, reduce energy usage, and achieve flexibility needed to optimize production and ensure the quality needed to stay competitive and drive profitability. Some of the challenges confronting manufacturers include a demand for increased efficiency, too much downtime, quality issues stemming from poor production processes, maintaining a skilled workforce, and excessive energy and water usage generating greenhouse gas emissions. Each of these challenges bring additional cost and risk to your workforce, product launches, and overall business operation, resulting in increased costs and safety compliance issues. Emerson understands these challenges and is ready to support your automation needs with a complete portfolio of intelligent field devices, control, and software capabilities that help connect data resources to enable digital transformation. We provide your operations with the information and insights to optimize production while reducing energy usage and waste. It all begins with proper measurement and control of the raw materials stored on site. Within the tank farm, we continuously measure, monitor, and maintain adequate inventory levels for liquids and solids, measuring the levels of ingredient storage along with pressure and flow during handling and transfer. As we move to the processing stage, we continue with specific checks on temperature, pressure, flow, and density of the batches, as well as managing the health of major process assets. Our solutions provide tighter control, increased utilization, fewer breakdowns, and real-time process analysis to detect both quality and environmental issues. From processing, we move on to primary packaging, where the product is transformed into what consumers see and experience on the shelf, beginning with precise forming and filling, then through sealing and labeling, and finally inspection. We ensure the precision and quality that consumers expect of your brand. Using Emerson's best-in-class packaging technology, the filling process is precisely and reliably controlled while eliminating leaks and waste, increasing packing speed, all while addressing vital issues such as product safety and production reliability. We're also monitoring and reporting air and energy consumption, sources of air leakage, and the health of pneumatic valves and cylinders. Within secondary packaging, the entire operation comes together as final checks are performed and products are efficiently placed into cases prior to progressing towards the warehouse. Here, we are carefully and safely handling each product as it's collected and placed into its final packaging for transport. Throughout each step, advanced control is helping manufacturers achieve higher throughputs, better reliability, less energy usage and waste, and fewer quality issues. At the same time, we are monitoring equipment OEE, downtime causes, and energy consumption right at the point of use to reduce costly losses and downtime that hurt your profitability. At Emerson, we are ready to help you with your automation and digital transformation needs, serving as a trusted advisor with industry-leading technologies and deep know-how. From end to end, we are bringing together process, packaging, warehouse, building, and utility systems, all connected from control to supervisory and from edge to the cloud. Emerson is partnering with leaders and OEMs across the food and beverage, consumer packaged goods, and household care sectors to provide superior value in both process and discrete applications by delivering operational performance insight, bringing together the process and machine data from across your manufacturing operations into a comprehensive plant view.